Hey guys, how are you today? Hope you're having a good day. I'm covering my hair because I didn't wash it, but I just wanted to make an announcement that the scavenger hunt is going to be on soon. I read some of your comments and I thought it was super funny. Some of your comments. I know some of you guys said you guys preferred the video instruction more because it was more clear than when I have written instructions. So thanks for that feedback. Um, Also, I'm sorry if I made it seem like a English exam for some of you guys. I tried to make it fun, so hopefully you guys are having fun. So I just want to go over a couple of the rules for these extra entries. The extra entry is everyone who joins or find these scavenger hunt posts and answer the questions and fill out the form will get 2 extra entry for the maker 3. The same exclusions apply from the initial post that was posted for the giveaway. So if you guys don't know what that is or where to find that, you have to navigate through Facebook, the feature tab to see it. And I'm sorry, my phone keeps going off. I get so many messages a day. But anyway, so the only clue I'm gonna tell you is that the people who are posting the scavenger hunt posts are members of the group. They're not admin or mods, so you just have to try your luck or find clues by reading some posts to see if you see a form. But anyways, that's all I'm gonna tell you. But aside from that, in the Google form, I did ask specific questions. Make sure that when you're filling out the name where I'm asking you for a name, you're putting your Facebook name. Because if you don't put your Facebook name that I can tag you, then I have to disqualify you because I can't tag you because I don't know your Facebook name. And then for the question where I say, what is your link post to your project? There's 2 ways of linking what you post to the project that was created as a result of the scavenger hunt post. Is that you either, if you're on your phone, you hit the 3 dots or you hit, wait, let me just confirm it's the 3 dots. So if you're on your phone and you create a post, yes, you hit the 3 dots and hit the copy button and paste that into that box where the question is asking what is your link post to your project extra entry for extra entry. If you are on the computer, you do not copy the URL. There is a little arrow that looks like a little airplane that says send. If you hit send, it gives you a web link. You copy that web link and post it on to that question, and you'll see it from there. So remember the one of the question that says poster you found this entry, you have to put their name. So for example, if I was the member posting it, my name is Angela or Angie, you would say I found this link through Angie. Well, or you could just put Angie. You don't even have to say I found this link through Angie. Just put Angie. If it's like Twan, you put Twan. If it's like Janet, you put Janet. But you but I'm not getting the admin or mods to post it, so you can't guess it. You have to actually find it. So anyways, have fun on the scavenger hunt. Thank you. Bye.